Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the PureDesign stainless steel insulated water bottle. So let's go ahead and open up the box. Okay, so we open up the box by, of course, opening the box flap right there to reveal the PureDesign stainless steel insulated water bottle. Let's go ahead and remove it from its packaging. So you can hear that thunk right there. It's quite a hefty piece. Okay, making sure that there's nothing else left behind in the box. We can go ahead and set it to the side. Let's set it on the right hand side for now. Okay, and go ahead and continue with a look around the stainless steel water bottle. Okay, so just setting it on the tabletop right there. It is quite a tall water bottle, and this one I'm going to just set it on its side for now, and hopefully it doesn't roll off the table. Okay, so this is a 750 milliliter capacity water bottle, and this one's in silver. It's also available in black, and also available in a 500 milliliter capacity in blue. Let's go ahead and remove that plastic wrapper to reveal the PureDesign stainless steel insulated water bottle. So you can see it has a nice brushed finish to it. And let me just stand it upright. So right there, and of course, I'm going to make sure that you can see all the elements of the water bottle right there. Obviously, quite a tall water bottle, but I don't want to set the camcorder too far away because you'll lose that detail as well. So I think this is just about the right balance, and if I set it on the tabletop right there, you can still see the entire water bottle quite clearly, and of course making sure that it doesn't roll off. Alright, initial impressions, of course, it has a nice weight to it, and just hear that thunk, and of course it is insulated. And just giving you some close-up details of the finishing. So you can see it does have a very finely brushed finish. So this is, like I've said, is the silver or plain version. There's also a black version as well, and a smaller version in blue with a 500 ml capacity. This one is 750 along with the black version. And just showing you the base as well. It's nice to see that very detailed finishing on the base. Very unusual to see that. Usually they tend to just have a rounded off finish, but this one has those little grooves in them. Okay, so you can see, giving you some close-up detail of that fine brushed finish. So it is horizontally brushed, as you can see, across the length of the water bottle. And of course, I should have shown you this tag earlier. Let's do that now, never too late. So you see the PureDesign tag requesting for a review if you like it, and some further details and information about discounts. Okay, and there's a black tag as well. Just going to show you that as well, and giving you a close-up look to the literature. So talking about the materials, insulation, care and use, and probably the same information but in what I think is German. Okay, so that's the tags. We can go ahead and of course pop those tags off, but let me just set it back up again so you can see what's what. right there. Okay, and then let me unscrew the cap. You can see the cap has the nice machined finish as well. Very, very high quality piece. And as you've noticed, there is no branding or any form of labels on the bottle or flask. So now let's go ahead and of course open or unscrew that cap right there, and you can see the insides and of course on the underside of this cap on my left hand, or in my left hand, and right down inside as well. So good look around the inside of the PureDesign stainless steel insulated water bottle or flask. So very finely finished product right here, and giving you some more detail, you can see how nice and shiny that thread is on the bottle itself. Okay, and let me pop the tag off so it doesn't get in the way. And let me set it down to the side right there. Okay, so nice good look at the setting the cap to the side, and this time around giving you a nice all-round view of the water bottle. And size wise, you can see just how huge it is. 750 ml capacity, and of course it is as big as it is because it is insulated. So it uses BPA-free materials for its insulation, so it is safe from any kind of toxicity. And stainless steel itself is naturally antibacterial. So giving you a nice good look, a thorough look right around this stainless steel insulated water bottle. And just, you can hear that it is walled with that insulation on the inside of this brushed stainless steel water bottle. And you can see at the base there appears to be a two-piece element here with the main bottom and the body of the water bottle. And you can see how connected that reflection is with that seamless continuation of the reflection in the bottle. So nice consistency there in terms of finishing, given that they are obviously two pieces right there with the seam right around that base. And taking a close-up look at the top as well, where the opening is, as I turn it around, spin it around in my hand right there, showing you the very detailed elements of the water bottle. So size wise, you can see now with both hands there, it is a fairly large water bottle with a 750 milliliter storage capacity for your drinks. So it can store hot as well as cold drinks, so you can store your hot beverages or refreshing cool drinks in it. And now let me set the bottle aside, find a spot around there perhaps. And then we can take a look at the cap as well. So try to get both elements in the frame and of course focused at the same time. And you can see the silicone seal around the bottle cap right there. So nice detailed finish, finely finished, and with these little grooves or notches there, gives you grip when putting the bottle cap on or removing it. So nice good look at the bottle cap. And of course, let's go ahead and put it back on. So bottle cap will go back on now. And it does have a very nice twist on action. Very assuring and tight fit right there. And you can hear the solidness of that fit. So no messing around there, with a nice airtight fit of the bottle cap. And unscrewing it is a simple twist and turn as well. So not too many turns to unscrew, very quick, fairly quick enough, with a nice tight closure and release. I'm going to show you both the elements close up right there, so you can see the seal that it provides. And there we go, a nice tight fitment there. So finally finished and well constructed water bottle. So that's the PureDesign stainless steel insulated water bottle. Thanks for watching and happy drinking!